Hello friends, welcome again. Now I'm going to show you where is my parrot. Now they are not in the cage, and even they are not ready to fly away from my house. They used to sit on this tree and this tree as well, and now they are happy to live with me, with my family. And when they were young, they were used to sit in this cage, but now I have decided not to put both of them into the cage. So they like to sit on this guava tree, and now you can see that guavas are now ready, and even sometimes they generally eat the guavas, and they are happy with me. And even when I try to touch them, they never denied. Really very interesting and very sweet, and it is a good experience of my life. You can see how beautiful they are. Do you want to say something? Do you want to say? You want to say something? You can just tell to all my viewers. Okay. Very nice. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you really feel like, then you can press the like button. You can see another bird is also sitting on this guava tree, and as I am arranging water, food, so other birds are also eating this.